Hello everyone, welcome to the channel CUET by Dream University. So today we'll be discussing about the different kinds of societies, okay, such as tribal societies, rural societies, urban societies, industrial and post-industrial societies. All right. So in our previous lectures, we have talked about what a society is, ठीक है, जिसमें I have discussed what is the social structure, what are the different components of a society, right, such as individuals, the groups, the social groups, and there are social relationships, as different sociologists such as McIver and Page have also talked about society as a web of relationships. Now, these societies that I'm going to talk about today are going to define how these relationships are also uh, affected by several other factors of a society. Okay, they are getting affected by the kinship system, by the locality or the region where that society is established, such as rural, urban. Uh, what is the differences between the constituents of that society, and what are the major factors that give rise to that society? What is the rate of change in those societies? So these are the few things that we will be discussing in this topic. तो वैसे तो ये सारी जो टॉपिक्स हैं ये खुद में इफ यू टॉक ओनली अबाउट ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज एंड देन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज इन इंडिया it's a much detailed section, but for the CUET PG preparation उतना ज्यादा डिटेल में जाना जरूरी नहीं है. ठीक है, यू कैन I've just highlighted the important characteristics, important similarities, differences, all of those, and I think that will be sufficient for for your CUET exams that are coming. And since it is a crash course, I think it will be helpful for you. इतना sufficient होगा. ठीक है? So let us begin. So as you have already noticed that I also keep on uploading questions for every class. So, and if you have any doubt, okay, if you have any doubt regarding any question, or if you have doubt regarding any of the topic that I have covered so far, और फुल टेस्ट में कोई दिक्कत आ रही है, या प्रेपरेशन के रिगार्डिंग आपको कुछ भी पूछना है, तो आप टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं, या व्हाट्सएप का भी जो नंबर दिया हुआ है आप उस पर भी मैसेज कर सकते हैं, and I'll respond to all of those. Okay, and as you all know, the date sheet has also come, so you will also have to prepare accordingly, right? So let us begin today's lecture. So talking about different kinds of societies, let me just help you recall what are the main things about societies in general. Okay, so a society is a group of individuals, as we have seen earlier. It is a group of individuals. It has also many social groups. Social groups, there are many cultures, there are many communities, and in one society a certain kind of culture is followed. Okay, so a society is a group of individuals sharing a common culture. One kind of society will share one kind of culture, a, a common territory, and social institutions. Social institutions क्या है? Social institutions है marriage, family, kinship, economy, um, education, governance. ठीक है? Every organized structure, every organized pattern that individuals they have to follow, and which play a very important role in fulfilling our basic needs of the society. ठीक है, वही है social institutions. सो इस पे ऑलरेडी बहुत डिटेल में मैंने क्लासेस ली है, तो आप उन वीडियोस को फिर से देख सकते हैं अगर आपको इफ यू वांट टू रिकॉल एनीथिंग, और इफ यू फील दैट यू हैव मिस्ड आउट समथिंग, राइट? So this is a society, right? A society is a group of individuals which share a common culture, territory, and social institutions, right? And societies have evolved over time, which are shaped by technology, economy, and culture. So these social institutions, as we have studied, social institutions are dynamic in nature, है ना? बहुत सारे changes आते रहते हैं, and these changes lead to changes in the society as well. So the societies also have evolved over time, starting from society, hunting gathering society से लेकर आज, you know, the society which is largely driven by technology or AI. So the societies have evolved over time, and that in return has shaped technology, economy, and our culture. Right? We have talked about material culture, we have talked about non-material culture, and also how there is a cultural lag when technology comes in. And right, so culture was also part of this section in the syllabus, but then it was exactly the same, और वो ऑलरेडी मैंने वो सारे टॉपिक्स पहले ही कवर कर चुके हैं. ठीक है. So so we see how there has been evolve there has been evolution in these societies, right? In terms of technology, economy, culture, also, living standards, communication patterns, relationship structures, kinship structures, changes in marriage. So all of these things have changed and evolved. Okay. Now, so societies can be categorized into tribal, rural, urban, industrial, and post-industrial. All right. So we'll be starting with discussing tribal society. So, what is a tribal society? A tribal society is a simple kinship based society with a closed connection to nature. So, the first kind of society that existed earlier was a kind of hunting gathering society. ठीक है, सबसे पहले जो था ट्राइबल सोसाइटी के भी पहले, वो था एक हंटिंग गैदरिंग सोसाइटी. इसमें क्या होता था? Here the early man or the ancient men who used to live on this earth, they used to hunt food for their survival, means collect fruits or kill animals. So they used to hunt, they used to gather food from their, you know, from their surroundings, from their environment, from the forests, and this was important for their survival. ठीक है. तो ये जो भी करते थे, their main function was food gathering would be the right word. Food gathering, it either you hunt animals or collect fruits and vegetables, all of that, fruits and seeds, etc. Okay, so now here what happened? It was a very simple society. Very, it was the simplest kind of society, you could say.